Hey, welcome to T's Journey, and I'm here with another quick video update. Yes, I want to say thank you to all of my new subscribers. I didn't even know I had so many new subscribers. This is a hobby of mine, and I'm just recording my journey that I love so much. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you're getting your house in order because the Most High judgment is here. All right, let's jump right into it. I am a year locked, everyone. Yay! I made it to a year, and I'm still loving my journey. Although I've been a little lazy, my hair is on the drier side, but to me, that is just a benefit, another plus, and not to encourage you to be lazy, but with the low maintenance, you can kind of get away with a little bit more than if you were a loose natural. All right, so for me, this is perfect. I'm going to go in and deep condition my hair and bring some life back into it, maybe put a little black dye on it a few weeks from now. But yes, I have been loving my hair. As you can see, it is frizzing up. It's getting mature. It's getting a little bit rebellious, because sometimes especially the shorter ones will be sticking up, like this. And I'll just go in and put a little conditioner on the ends, on the tips of them, and some oil and water to make them kind of lay back down. But other than that, my hair is getting fuller, thickening up. My ends are still curly. My hair is attracting lint because it's getting, frizzier, and it's just attracting cotton and little lint balls, and I have to go in with a brush and kind of brush them out. I have gotten some lint out of my locks, especially in the back. I guess where my hair rubs against my clothes, and I'll go in with the tweezer and kind of get it out, and I try not to pick at my locks too much because I am newly locked in. You don't want to mess up your locks, but sometimes I can't help it. But I do not have a whole lot of lint. Like, there's not a lot of lint all over my head because I try to keep my hair up at night, tied up, and brush the lint out as I see it on a daily basis. Yes, so let's jump right in so you can take a closer look at my hair. Yes, I have been still interlocking. I did try the retwist method for my roots, and I loved it because it went by so quickly, so I don't know, when I'm kind of lazy, but I want my hair to be fresh, I'll probably retighten it with the twist method, and then when I want my hair to last a little longer, I'll, interlock it. And I don't know, am I supposed to do that? But I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try, and if it messes with my locks, I'll stop. But my hair needs to be washed, so beware. And I have a lot of new growth. I have a lot of new growth. I can feel that new growth. And I have a lot of not bunching, but budding. I have a lot of budding going on. So that lets me know that my hair is locking. Okay, so yes, a lot of budding. See that? See where it's fat? Right there, a lot of budding. And I do have to go in because my locks will try to marry one another, and I have to go in and pull them apart, and sometimes I even have to clip them. Will my ends ever lock? They are still curly. I don't know, but I'm loving it either way. I'm loving it either way. I don't wear a lot of lock styles because I'm newly locked. I've tried a little bit to curl the ends a little bit, but my ends are still curly, so I just leave it alone for right now. I think maybe in a few months I'll try the really curly Afro hairstyles with it and see how I like it. But right now I'll just wear it like this, or wear it, you know, pent up a little bit in the front, but nothing too tight. I use castor oil, especially when the seasons change. Castor oil has been my best friend, and I think I will continue to incorporate that through the winter months because my scalp gets drier, and I can tell when the season changed, my scalp got a little bit dry. So I would incorporate castor oil with some olive oil, and I probably will add essential oils such as peppermint and tea tree to kind of combat the dryness. And yes, so my hair is growing, it's thriving, but it is shrinking. I do notice shrinkage. I know some people, you know, they like, no, your hair is growing. I'm like, no, when I first started, you know, my locks were, you know, they were pretty long. I mean, it's still long, but you know, they were longer. And you know, they're shrinking up, and that's letting me know that my hair is maturing and it is trying to lock. You know, if you have a softer hair, you know, your locks may take longer to, you know, lock on up. So don't worry about that. They will lock eventually. So just enjoy the journey. You know, a lot of us want to get to the lock process, but for some of us, when your hair is a little bit softer, you're going to have to wait. So you might as well enjoy the journey. Enjoy styling your hair. Just enjoy, you know, enjoy the freedom of not having to worry about your hair every single day. So, and that's it for now. I will try to do a video about me deep conditioning and how I do it and how it turns out. So keep a lookout for another video. Until next time, shalom everyone.